Let's go.
Get in, boys.
Just wait, let me fucking pack it up.
Move the bag.
AE86, bitch.
You gotta move it.
Fuck.
Put it in the boot.
Yeah, chuck it in the boot.
There's a car. I just let the car roll.
Don't speed, don't speed.
Come on, Sean, commentate.
This is what's his name?
Trison.
Yeah, this is Trison's AE86 Trueno.
GTA Apex.
Yeah, GTA Apex.
JDM.
version as well.
Genuine.
With 4AG engine.
Genuine Takumi style.
The driver.
Yep. Driver is Tan. Front passenger seat is Phil.
Phil down, yo!
Me and Nam got the back seats.
Like the way we want it.
Yeah, like the way we want it, bitch.
We are on Churchill Avenue.
Yeah, Churchill Avenue, just outside of my house.
And we're gonna see what this car's got potential of. Apparently it has drift spec.
Yep, drift spec AE86. Alright, bitch, let's go, bitch.
Got an L plate. I'm like, I'm scared, man.
He's like,
oh my god,
this car's behind me.
Sorry, folks, we've got an L plater struggling to drive, so we're just taking it easy.
Car's driving granny. What the fuck, man style, motherfuckers?
Oh, come on, you L plater, man.
Shit.
Oh,
This motherfucker! Yeah. Hit a time. Red line. Woo! Oh, fuck. Oh, fuck. Oh, shit.
get a view of the dash view.
Oh shit. That mess is down gear.
Fucking hell, man.
Right, time, let's go look for 180 or something.
Cornel. See how fast we go, huh? There's cops normally parked down there.
Yeah,
Speed there, fucking getting
This
on.
car's loud as well.
Yeah, for a tiny exhaust pipe. You know, Phil, you got the other hands on the wheel. What the?
Like that, yeah?
Hey, record can't downshift.
Can't really see.
Can't see, but.
No, I'm in the dash.
Oh shit!
That's